Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2020 Kenworth T880 day cab to show you. It's built with an X15 Cummins, 4500 RDS Allison automatic, 14 6 fronts, 46 rears, full lockers, headache rack and wet kit. It's only got 164,000 original miles on it. Gonna do a full walk around, show you underneath, show you frame rail, show you tires, brakes, everything that you'd want to see just like you're standing here. Let's go ahead and get started. Body and paint's excellent. Just came out of detail. Everything sanded and polished on the aluminum. Engine compartment's clean. Love the specs on this one. I don't know that you get a regular tandem axle day cab loaded up anymore. It's gonna be hard to find with 4500 and loaded up like this as well. And only 164,000 miles. Factory split tank. There's your hydraulics on the back side. Frame rails are clean. You do have air going to the back there. All aluminum wheels, air slide fifth wheel. You do have a pinnable fifth wheel as well. Only a couple scratches or dings in the paint. Interior is extremely nice as well. There's your wet kit tower. So the Allison automatic. Locker switches. Not quite got up to temp yet. You can see good low side oil pressure. Super smooth to the RPMs. No pressure climbing with it. With the smart wheel, you can see you got your controls on each side there. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this truck or any other truck that we've got, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.